Let's learn to draw easy scenery of a house.
I'm going to start with the roof of the house. Adding outline structure for house. Basic structure of the house is ready. Now I'm going to add windows, walls that separate two sections of the house. Now I'm adding tiles for roof, and to accentuate it more, I'm going to border and double border some areas. Adding one more window, doorknob and door, and I'm going to add frames to all windows. Now we are going to add some elements around the house, such as bushes, a tall tree, a Christmas tree in the background, one more Christmas tree to the right side of the house, which is slightly taller. Now I'm adding gate and fence around the house. Adding one more bush. Adding few flowers. And finish it with few more bushes around. Drawing part is over. Let's begin coloring. I'm starting with sky in light blue color. I'm using camel oil pastels. Take a piece of tissue and start smudging this color in diagonal stroke. I am using same light blue and applying it with increased pressure to highlight areas which will have deeper color. I am using deep green for leaves. Now I'm taking light green and blending it with dark green or deep green that I've used. And remaining section goes into lemon yellow. Dust out all the flakes. Let's move on to Christmas tree. For the top portion I have used light green, and now the sections that are going to be darker in tone, I'm applying sap green to those areas. Next, take leaf green and start blending remaining sections. Use fingers to blend color well. For this small Christmas tree, I am using light green with sap green. Blend all areas well. For this particular bush, I am using light green and blend it with lime green. Bush with flowers initially will go into leaf green. The topmost portion I'm not coloring it. Topmost portion will go into lime green, and the base of the bush, which is going to be the darkest portion, will go into sap green. For tree trunk, I'm taking burnt sienna and coating branches with the same color, and top it up with dark brown. Blend colors using finger. For walls of house, I'm using light orange. Blend this color well using finger. For all the borders that you see, I'm going to use maroon. For the filling, I'm using Vermillion Hue. Drag this color in upward direction. For tiles, use red. And blend it with orange. Make sure you're covering all corners well. For the wall in the corner, I'm using burnt sienna and blend it with orange. Drag this color outwards. For door, I'm using brilliant blue followed by light blue and blend it in upwards direction. Remaining border goes into dark brown, as well as the base of the house goes into dark brown. Highlight fence using grey. Highlight walls using orange. Use light pink for flowers. Blend all color well. Highlight wherever needed. Do hit the like button and share it forward with your friends and family. Follow on Facebook page and subscribe on YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.